everyone. Now I will to talk about vowels. Oh, oh. First, but, learn, learn, work, 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 what, wallet, 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 was, west, west, journey, 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 journalist, 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 roll, 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 journalist, journalist, journalist. Next, to talk about myself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion! Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Lan. I'm 20 years old. I was born and grew up in Bắc. It's a very large province. Right now, I'm a student. I study hard every day. I choose to be here because I eager to learn. I enjoy learning English. I speak English everywhere, and at the time, I like making friends, and I get along with everyone. In my free time, I like listening to music and reading books. I'm happy to meet you all. I believe we'll become good friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.